if you go into somebody's house in the actual 70s, you will see that brown veneer wall. That's exactly what that is. If you tear it off, it's about this thick, right? So what that is, it's just veneering the front portion of that wall. Same thing in actually teeth, right? Some people come in and they want veneers. They just want something to cover that tooth to get whatever it is, a straightness, a color, a shade, whatever it is. So a veneer is taking a very small amount of tooth structure. People won't know what this means a lot. Keeping it in actual enamel, which means keeping it in tooth, which allows us to bond it, which increases the strength of which it is bonded or cemented into the mouth. But basically a veneer is just a covering of the tooth. So if you're interested in those as well, please come on down, give us a shout. Ask us, hey, what about your veneers? Can we come down and see if we are candidates for those? Absolutely, you can.